Assalamualaikum and very good day. I'm Warren Rohalin, FA17091, and today I will present to you aggregate planning. So, aggregate planning is a marketing activity that does an aggregate plan for the production process. It advances of 6 to 18 months to give an idea to management as to what quantity of materials and order. So, in this aggregate planning, I will show you the forecast demand data, the workers required calculation, and then we will solve the aggregate planning using two types of strategies, which is pure strategies and chase demand strategies. So this is the forecast demand data. As you can see, the high demand is in early, middle, and the end of the year. This is because the people tend to buy new technologies and items during those times on the year. Next, we calculate the number of workers. We get all the units from the break-even analysis, and as you can see from the calculation, we conclude that the total worker needed for 1,200 units cumulative demand is 1 worker. The average production per month is 100 units with 26 working days and 8 hours working time. Next, we will solve the aggregate planning using pure strategies. The hiring cost is 250 ringgit, firing cost is 450 ringgit, inventory carrying cost 4 ringgit, regular production cost per unit 34 ringgit, production per employee 100, and the beginning workforce is 28 ringgit. This is the labor production strategy. Next, we add all of the forecast demand and divide by 12. So this is the table of the pure strategies. The total number of inventory is 50, and then we can calculate the cost of labor production strategy using this formula, and then answer for the value of cost of labor is 41000 ringgit Malaysia. Next, we do the chase demand strategy. For the chase demand strategy, we put workers needed, workers hired, and workers fired in the table. The total numbers of workers hired, as you can see, is 50, and the workers fired is 35. And then we can calculate the cost of chase demand strategy using this formula, and the answer of the value for the cost of chase demand is 69050 ringgit Malaysia. So the pure strategies has the lower value than the chase demand strategy. And the conclusion, we conclude that comparing the cost of labor production with the chase demand and the pure strategies, we find that pure strategies is the best strategies for the vacuum cleaner production. Thank you.